An arc fault circuit interrupter, or AFCI plug, is a type of electrical plug designed to detect and interrupt electrical arcs, which are a major cause of electrical fires. These plugs significantly enhance electrical safety by preventing fires. In the United States, AFCI plugs are required in new homes and apartments constructed after January 1, 2008. They are also mandated for new air conditioners installed after August 1, 2004. AFCI plugs are readily available at most hardware stores and home improvement centers, as well as from online retailers. The installation process is straightforward. Firstly, turn off the power to the circuit you'll be working on at the breaker panel. Secondly, remove the old plug from the outlet. Thirdly, connect the wires from the AFCI plug to the corresponding wires from the outlet, ensuring a secure and correct connection. Fourthly, carefully screw the AFCI plug into the outlet box. Fifthly, restore power to the circuit by turning the breaker back on. After installation, testing is crucial to verify proper functionality. Firstly, plug a lamp or another electrical device into the AFCI outlet. Secondly, turn on the electrical device. Thirdly, press the test button located on the AFCI plug. The AFCI plug should immediately trip, cutting off power to the outlet and turning off the electrical device. If the AFCI plug does not trip upon pressing the test button, it may be defective and should be replaced immediately with a new one. AFCI plugs offer substantial benefits, including the prevention of electrical fires by detecting and interrupting dangerous arc faults. They are a relatively inexpensive way to significantly improve the electrical safety of your home or apartment. An arc fault is an unintentional electrical discharge between two or more conductors. These arcs generate intense heat, which can ignite nearby flammable materials, leading to a fire. AFCI plugs are designed to differentiate between normal arcs, like those produced by a light switch, and dangerous arc faults. When a dangerous arc fault is detected, the AFCI plug quickly interrupts the circuit, stopping the flow of electricity and preventing a fire. The technology behind AFCI plugs involves sophisticated electronics that constantly monitor the electrical current for specific arc fault signatures. These signatures include irregular current patterns and high-frequency noise. When these signatures are detected, the AFCI plug's internal circuitry triggers a switch that opens the circuit, preventing the arc fault from escalating into a fire. There are two main types of AFCIs: branch circuit AFCIs and outlet circuit AFCIs. Branch circuit AFCIs are installed in the electrical panel and protect the entire circuit. Outlet circuit AFCIs, or AFCI plugs, are installed at individual outlets and protect only the outlet and any devices plugged into it. It is important to choose the right type of AFCI for the application. Branch circuit AFCIs are generally recommended for new construction, while outlet circuit AFCIs are a good option for retrofitting existing homes. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides detailed requirements for the installation of AFCIs. Consult the latest edition of the NEC for specific guidelines. Some common misconceptions about AFCIs include that they are the same as ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, and that they are not necessary if you have a modern electrical system. GFCIs protect against ground faults, which are different from arc faults. A ground fault occurs when electricity flows through an unintended path to the ground, such as through a person. While modern electrical systems are safer than older systems, they are still susceptible to arc faults. AFCIs provide an additional layer of protection that can prevent electrical fires. When selecting an AFCI plug, it is important to choose one that is listed by a recognized testing laboratory, such as Underwriters Laboratories, or UL. This ensures that the plug meets safety standards and has been tested for performance. To maintain the effectiveness of AFCI plugs, it is important to test them regularly, at least once a month. Testing ensures that the plug is functioning properly and will trip in the event of an arc fault. If an AFCI plug trips frequently, it may indicate a problem with the electrical circuit or the devices plugged into it. In this case, it is important to investigate the cause of the tripping and correct the problem. Do not simply reset the AFCI plug without addressing the underlying issue. Some common causes of AFCI tripping include loose wiring, damaged cords, and faulty appliances. If you are unable to identify and correct the cause of the dripping, consult a qualified electrician. AFCI plugs are a valuable safety device that can help to prevent electrical fires. By understanding how they work, how to install them, and how to test them, you can protect your home and family from the dangers of electrical fires. Remember to always follow the manufacturer's instructions when installing and testing AFCI plugs. In addition to AFCI plugs, there are other steps you can take to improve electrical safety in your home. These include inspecting electrical cords and appliances regularly for damage, avoiding overloading electrical outlets, and using surge protectors to protect electronic devices from power surges. It's also crucial to ensure that all electrical work is performed by a qualified electrician. Improper electrical work can create dangerous hazards, increasing the risk of electrical fires and other electrical problems. Keep flammable materials away from heat sources, including electrical outlets and appliances. Ensure proper ventilation for appliances that generate heat, such as stoves and dryers. Consider having a professional electrical inspection conducted periodically to identify potential hazards and ensure that your electrical system is up to code. Educate all members of your household about electrical safety, including how to recognize and respond to electrical hazards. Teach them how to test AFCI plugs and what to do if they trip. By taking these precautions and utilizing AFCI plugs, you can significantly reduce the risk of electrical fires and create a safer home environment. Remember that electrical safety is an ongoing process, and it's important to stay informed and proactive in protecting your home and family. Understanding the specific requirements of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, is essential for ensuring proper electrical safety. The NEC provides comprehensive guidelines for the installation and maintenance of electrical systems, including the use of AFCIs. It is updated regularly to reflect the latest advancements in electrical technology and safety practices. Consulting with a qualified electrician who is familiar with the NEC is highly recommended for any electrical work, especially when it involves AFCIs. They can ensure that the installation meets all applicable codes and standards. Moreover, electricians have the expertise and tools necessary to identify and address potential electrical hazards, ensuring the safety and reliability of your electrical system. Ignoring the NEC or attempting electrical work without proper knowledge and training can have serious consequences, including electrical fires, injuries, and even death. It's always best to err on the side of caution and seek professional assistance when dealing with electricity. In addition to the NEC, local building codes may also have specific requirements for electrical installations, including AFCIs. It's important to check with your local building department to determine the applicable codes in your area. These codes may vary depending on the type of building, its occupancy, and other factors. Compliance with local building codes is essential for ensuring the safety and legality of your electrical installations. Failure to comply can result in fines, penalties, and even the requirement to remove or modify the non-compliant work. Furthermore, it's important to keep accurate records of all electrical work performed in your home, including the installation of AFCIs. These records can be useful for future maintenance, repairs, and inspections. They can also be helpful when selling your home, as they provide documentation of the electrical system's compliance with applicable codes and standards. By maintaining thorough records, you can ensure the safety and value of your home for years to come. Understanding the different types of AFCI plugs is crucial for selecting the right one for your needs. As mentioned earlier, there are branch circuit AFCIs and outlet circuit AFCIs. Branch circuit AFCIs are installed in the electrical panel and protect the entire circuit, while outlet circuit AFCIs, or AFCI plugs, are installed at individual outlets and protect only that outlet and any devices plugged into it. In addition to these two main types, there are also combination AFCIs, which provide both arc fault and ground fault protection. These are often used in bathrooms, kitchens, and other areas where both types of protection are required. When choosing an AFCI plug, consider the specific needs of the location where it will be installed. For example, if you are concerned about arc faults in a bedroom, an outlet circuit AFCI plug may be sufficient. However, If you want to protect the entire circuit, a branch circuit AFCI may be a better option. It's also important to consider the amperage rating of the AFCI plug. The amperage rating should match the amperage rating of the circuit it will be protecting. Using an AFCI plug with a lower amperage rating than the circuit can cause it to trip frequently, while using one with a higher amperage rating may not provide adequate protection. Consulting with a qualified electrician can help you determine the right type and amperage rating of AFCI plug for your specific needs. They can assess your electrical system and recommend the best solutions for ensuring electrical safety. Remember that AFCIs are not a substitute for other safety measures such as properly installed smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. These devices provide early warning of fires and carbon monoxide leaks, giving you time to escape safely. By combining AFCIs with other safety measures, you can create a comprehensive safety plan for your home. Staying informed about the latest advancements in electrical safety technology is also important. The electrical industry is constantly evolving, with new products and technologies being developed to improve safety and efficiency. By staying up to date on these advancements, you can make informed decisions about how to protect your home and family from electrical hazards. There are many resources available to help you stay informed, including industry publications, websites, and training courses. Attending electrical safety workshops and seminars can also be a valuable way to learn about new technologies and best practices. By investing in your knowledge of electrical safety, you can become a more informed and proactive homeowner. In summary, AFCI plugs are a valuable safety device that can help to prevent electrical fires. By understanding how they work, how to install them, and how to test them, you can protect your home and family from the dangers of electrical fires. Remember to always follow the manufacturer's instructions when installing and testing AFCI plugs, and consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns. By taking these precautions, you can create a safer home environment for yourself and your loved ones.